So it seems summer has arrived, which is just as well, because I am on my way, and it's within walking distance, to Stockwood Park. Now, last time I was there, we had Radio 1's big weekend there a couple of years ago, so I haven't been there since. But today is slightly different. It's the Luton Transport Festival Luton Transport Festival, that's the one. And luckily for me, Sunday Models, our local shop, is holding one of their bash meetings there. So I've got my backpack on, here it is, and I've got a car in the back, and we're going to go and have a play and maybe look at some old classic cars from yesteryear. Actually, before we get into the video, it's actually quite nice to have a little bit of a break from racing. I haven't done a lot of late because work's taken, you know what life's like. Work gets kind of in the way, has to be done. So it's quite nice to get the old bashes out and have a little bit of a play, really, and a walk. So obviously I'm walking there, it's about a mile and a half, I suppose, something like that. So yeah, and it's, what day is it today? Sunday. God, what date is it? The 14th of June. So just nice to get out, have a bit of a walk, have a play with a car, make a video for you lot. Hopefully it's some interesting stuff there. But yeah, see how we get on. Look at the size of this thing, the Losi 5TE. Right, so there's my hand and there's a shot. Look at that. That is absolutely massive. 12S. Oh my God, it's heavy as well. What a mammoth car that is. The footage don't do it any justice. The thing's huge, let me tell you. Right, it's massive losis out now. This thing is absolutely immense. It's got some serious power, this thing. I think the track's really, well, there's no think about it, the track is definitely too small for it, but it is going well. So my car choice today is the good old Synchro 4, the Corrale. I'm off track for a minute because we have got these absolute monsters, so I'm going to get a little montage now of all these big ones, so please do enjoy. Right, so a little bit of a break away from the track, and I'll show you the delights of the Luton Festival of Transport. When I say transport, literally everything. I suppose a glider is a mode of transport, so yeah, okay, we've got one of them here. What else we got? It's all going on. It's all going on. Let's see if we can find some nice old cars. Well, look at these bad boys. Ford Capri. This is an oldie. Man, I remember these actually being on the road. Not necessarily this one, but definitely these ones here. Man, old school. Got a proper Mini. You don't see them anymore, do you? They are worth an absolute mint, them things. You know you're getting old when you go to a car show and there's a Rover Metro that actually does look old. I remember these on the roads and oh, look at that. Next to it though, whoa, what a car. Yeah, so this kind of takes me back. Not that I was around first time when this was about, because of course I weren't, but my old man used to restore bikes and he had a gold flash. This is not a gold flash though. However, it is a BSA, of course. I don't quite know what, but that is super duper old. Don't make them like that no more. There's one for Kyle there. He would not look out of place on that, to be quite honest. I can imagine him buzzing down the road on that, trying to impress all the women. Wow, that's a beast. So the weird thing is, I thought to myself, I'm not driving, so I thought I'd have a beer. I'm actually thoroughly enjoying this. So many cool, loads of cool cars about. And I head back over and have another go at the cars in a minute. Huh. Now there's a bike. If anyone gets on your nerves, you can always pick up your baseball bat, smack it round their head. Although, it's not real. It looks it though, don't it? I mean, look at that. How cool is that? Look at you've got someone holding on the side of it there. That is attention to detail right there. Hello, looks interesting. Just a little ramp there, just to have a go at. Right, go on then. Is that Michael's one, is it? Yeah, that X-Max. No, I don't catch that.
We'll give it a go.
Right, Neil's going to go. He's got his oven gloves on. He does a little party trick where you send the car up and he'll catch it. So let's see if he can put his money. That was nice. That weren't high enough though. That's higher, higher. Go on, send it. Here we go. Here we go. And yes. Oh, beautiful catch there. All right. I'm still drinking, so I can't really. I don't know. Can you drink and drive RC cars? I guess you probably could. Beautiful catch there. Needs to go higher though. You know, people want to see extreme these days, don't they? Go on. Yeah, that's better. Nice. So there you go. If you ever want to come and see Neil and the amazing oven glove car catching trick, this is the place to go. Beautiful. Right, well the X-Maxes and the big stuff's lining up to absolutely send it. So Michael's over there. He's quite good at doing the old loops and that.
Oh my God. Drive it like a car. Drive it. Brake for the corners and then throttle. Just slow for the corner and then throttle again.
So you've got little and large out now. Looks like it's just had a kid, don't it? Tiny little thing next to it there. Oh, squished it. Hello, the old Billa here. Right, there we go, that is a wrap. What a fun afternoon that was of racing cars, looking at cars, looking at proper cars, looking at old cars, RC cars. I have had a blast. So, if you like what you see, like, subscribe, hit the old ding dong bell, and we'll see you in another one.